you go. There you go, Dan. Oh, that's what you want to see, right? Get it out of the rod holder, okay? This one's a little bit bigger. Is the net ready? Already there? Yeah, it's coming in. Take that one. I don't have since if you go out tomorrow. See how much. Whoa! A little extra speed help. Still there?
Is that what you just did? You just picked it up?
Yeah, he's there. 23. By now. Rock off. after it. Get him in the boat, Danny. Woo! That's very Chinook-like. Oh, up top. Nice. Woo! Wow. Look at that pig. Damn. Dude. That's all I can say is dude. Like a douchebag, that's all I can say. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. I mean, he's 25 pounds probably. He's not.
I do have a scale with me.
Okay.
Look at that thing. It's not even going to stay in the bucket. Look how... Holy crap. That is...
I mean, he's touching the bottom of the bucket. Woo! Yeah! All right, guys, I'm limited out. Let's head in. We don't let it go anywhere, just so you know. Got it. Whoa! Man, that was a wicked hit right. I saw that. Oh! Yeah, that's fish on.
This thing's screwed up. Look at this guy. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. I really
got some shoulders to it, doesn't it?
Yeah, this one's cool. This one is pretty.
Need us to slow her down a bit? Or is it coming up?
It's coming.
Okay.
Had a lot of heart to start, but
Now it's like the Coho. In and out. That's the Coho. It's a nice fish. That's a tank of a Coho. That's a good way to end it, boys. Oh, yeah. Without breaking a rod. Woo!
little slack.